Come over closer.
What's your mouth?
It's alright.
Oh, now he's pushing away.
It's alright. No, just hold him, Charlie. He's okay.
Oh, no, he's pushing away. Like he wants to get pushed out.
No, just go back in. Just bounce up and down in the water. No, he'll rip the plants off. Don't.
Not near you go.
No. Oops. He's alright. Why don't you go 1, 2, 3 and under?
Under?
Why?
Under?
No. Apparently not.
It'll be a good...
No.
Why not?
Cooper.
You should put your mouth in the water. Silly Billy.
Cooper.
Silly Billy. Silly Billy. Silly...
Cooper. Say hi.
Can you quickly just do 1, 2, 3
No.
and then back up?
No, Dad was wrong. Cooper. Say hi.
1, 2, 3.
Charlie, get closer.
Come over.
Cooper.
Quick. Cooper.
Cooper.
Alright. Cooper, say bye. Bye.
Just trying to stay above the water.
Bye, Charlie.